guys, I am doing the unboxing of this beautiful action camera, which is the GoPro Hero 6. It is the next version that comes out after the GoPro Session and the GoPro Hero 5. So let's quickly unbox it and we'll use it on my motorcycle and see how it is different from the previous version. So the packaging is exactly the same like the previous GoPros. I guess there are very few things inside this box, so let's open it. So here we are. This is the GoPro Hero 6 and this is the GoPro Hero 5. Not much of a difference. Both look exactly the same. The size, everything is almost the same. Only the difference between these two cameras is the frame rate. They have different frame rates. So now on the Hero 6 you can shoot 4K at 60 fps and 240 fps at 1080 for super slow motion. So now let's see what else it came with inside the box. Came with GoPro stickers, manual, and then how to set it up. Comes with Type-C cable, some mounts, adhesive mounts, one flat and curved mount. That's it, nothing else. Very minimalistic. Let's put all this away. Okay guys, good morning. It's Sunday and here I am testing the RAM mount and the GoPro Hero 6. So the RAM mount seems to be very nice and sturdy. I used my GoPro with this as well. It has a separate GoPro mount and this is the classic phone mount. There is a rubber base which holds the phone very firmly, and the entire setup is clamped to your handlebar. It took a while to clamp this yesterday, but I guess I just did it very well. So let's ride and I will tell you more about the Hero 6. So I have been using this GoPro for some time now and I feel it's a pretty nice upgrade from the Hero 5. So stabilization, like I said before, has improved, and quite few other things like the frame rates. So it produces very nice slow motion at 240 fps at 1080p, which can be very useful to make some nice videos. The size and spec wise it's almost the same, not much of a difference. The only factor which I found was the cost. It's pretty high now and it's not a factor to upgrade right now because you can find it at about 36,000 rupees. It's quite a lot. So maybe you should wait so that the prices drop and then you can go for it. And the other bad thing I found about this GoPro was again the microphone adapter. It has the same stupid arrangement where you have to plug in a box kind of thing, which I have put over here. So it's the size is like about a matchbox and it's very annoying. I don't know why GoPro they have not given a microphone port like the other cameras like SJ Cam or Garmin or Sony, where things are more smooth. So otherwise this action camera is pretty good, and maybe you can upgrade, but I would recommend wait for a few days when the prices drop, then only you can go for it. Otherwise the Gopro 5 is pretty good. So that's it, guys. Hopefully I'll meet you again soon, and we'll make a nice video on a trip with my friends, the motorcyclists. Our main guy Samar is in Coimbatore now. He's training for his track. The guys who have come back from Ladakh are pretty tired, so they are resting. So there won't be much of rides now. So hopefully we'll be riding soon again when these guys have recovered and Samar is back, and then probably we'll have a nice meetup and maybe a breakfast ride to somewhere. Till then, see you, goodbye, ride safe, and please ride with your gears. Ciao.